2.2 kilometres. What's that, 1.5 Maloney's? Oh, we're in the posh part of the country. It's just a cow field. There's nothing to see, no ruins or anything. Hey folks, it's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. How are you? Hope you're well. Just a quick bike ride today, out for about 4 or 5 hours, 80k. I cannot see myself being able to bring the drone out today. It is very windy. Time recording, it's second day of autumn. Leaves will start dropping off the trees over the next few weeks, but I love autumn. It's my favourite season of the year. It's not all attractive around here. So right now I'm going down Runby Corner Lane. Haven't been down here for maybe 2 years. It's been closed a lot of that time, as they've detrunked the local motorway in preparation for a big huge village or villages, and that's going to be to the west of Scunthorpe. I do like lanes like this, which just dump you right into the middle of a town or a city. You know, they take you into the heart or something. Definitely need more connections like this. So I thought quickly, just gonna catch my breath back and also talk about my road to recovery. So for those of you new to the channel, I don't know how many times I keep telling this, but I fell off my bike about 5 or 6 weeks ago. Big crash, and broke my shoulder. It's come out aligned. So yeah, I've been off the bike for about 5 weeks, or 4.5. Finally got on the back of the bike this week, and I'm introducing myself to make it a little bit harder, a bit progressive, then pulling back. That's what I'm going to do, and then push out again. So this weekend, well, yesterday I did 100 kilometres. Quite a bit of gravel, but mostly flat. But today, what I've done on the flip side, I've reduced the distance. I'm only going to 80 kilometres today. However, I've put at least 2 climbs in there, possibly 3, just to kind of replace that distance. First of those, there's actually 3. First of them is near Yaddlethorpe on the edge of Scunthorpe. But then there's a definite climb at Greetwell, and a bit later on at Curtin upon Lindsay on Spa Hill there, which is probably the toughest one of the day. So I'm sure I'll be fine, just keep spinning up, and if I really do struggle, if the shoulder gives me a jip, I'll just get up and walk. But feeling good so far. Bit of a pull in my shoulder, maybe it's just taken a little bit of a while to adjust from getting active again. But getting active again I must. It's just moderating the effort, that's all it is. I hope it doesn't rain today, because I haven't bought a rain jacket. Instead, I opted for a gilet. I could have bought a jacket. The gilet choice was chosen because, not because of weight, it's because of the heat. It's not that cold. Because with a rain jacket you always have to put a little bit less effort in. Yeah, although it's well aerated, I'd rather go for the gilet option. It's just a little bit too mild still. About to head up Greetwell Hill. The cafe stop today, or hopefully cafe stop, is going to be in Curtin upon Lindsay. It's just a question mark where I'm going to be stopping though. I'd love to the sandwich shop to be open with bacon, sausage and butty, but I don't know, with it being a Sunday it might be closed, because you know no one wants to eat bacon and sausage on a Sunday, do they? Really smart. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add this place to my bucket list, I think. Well, I'm glad I've not planned to go into the Lincolnshire Wolds today. But I probably could have done with a rain jacket. This week I'm probably going to put together a bit of a diary of events and things that I'm going to be doing just to get myself motivated. A fluid calendar, training rides, local rides, on and off road. It would certainly be worthwhile. An empty diary right now. You know, I'm not used to that. For those of you new to the channel, I pretty much cycle all year round, only not riding if it's ice or snow. And even then, I've been known to go out riding in the snow. Let me know down in the comments below if you're an all-year rider or you're a fair rider and you know, spending the winter months on Swift. That doesn't really do it for me. It's just an additional expense as well, or getting all the gear, the space. Maybe one day. Nothing beats having fresh air in your lungs. You can't compare that to sitting on a couch in front of the TV, watching movies to keep you interested. It's just a cow field. I know we should invest in our history and things like that, but most people aren't going to come here to say a cow field. There's nothing to see, there's no ruins or anything. Gainsthorpe. You know what, I've never been through here. Never, not once. I know when I crisscrossed over the 815 I think to myself, I don't recognise this view, not even vaguely. I have to come this way again. Certainly more interesting. I would often pick windy today. This is going to be the first week cycling back to work. I'm not looking forward to if this wind's like this. Oh dear. I'm staying up super early tomorrow morning. Bit of a slog going on now. 2.5 kilometres up to North Cliff Road. So that's going to take me into Curtin upon Lindsay. And then on the other side of Curtin Lindsay, I'm going to be heading to Northorpe, which is a little uphill bit into the headwind again. And then after that, it's tailwind all the way home. So I'm really pleased as we approach halfway mark. Just got this rather long straight to Curtin now, and then up Spar Hill. So I didn't get the bacon and sausage, just a co-op instead. You know, I really should get a dividend card. Where am I going? Can never remember the way through here. I think it's left here. I thought it was a straight line, to be honest. Yeah, I'm getting lost. Turn right too soon. It's this one. Okay, it's just a back road now, and then onto the B1206, I think it looks like it, low. And then I am heading back north to enjoy that tailwind. 2.3 kilometres. Yippee! 2.2 kilometres. What's that? 1.5 Maloney's? Oh, we're in the posh part of the country. Someone's getting their food from Waitrose. Definitely haven't missed the wind. So at the moment I'm enjoying a crosswind, a bit of a cross tail. We're just over 2 kilometres until I'm turning off into a tailwind all the way home. I think, do you know when people say this is why we ride bikes? This is one of the reasons we ride bikes. When you've got a tailwind. Add that to the long list. Okay, Manson Road, 1.5 kilometres ahead. Whilst I've adjusting my helmet for the 1th time, changing the dial, I thought I'd just answer comments in the last few videos. Yeah, it is kind of a new helmet. I actually got given this one Christmas, which I think was 2021. My mum and dad bought it as a present. Was going to be wearing it for the TCR. Didn't really wear it at all, to be honest. I gave it a couple of trials, never wore it in the end. And it also seems to me it's not as roomy, especially when now I've got a cap on. It just seems like it's just sat there. It doesn't sit my head properly, but it's just the way it is. So yeah, it's new, but not new, sort of thing. As much as I've ridden around lots of Lincolnshire, never really get bored. I don't think I get bored. Always the flatness in some parts of the county, and you know, it's so beautiful around here though. You often forget about it, and the roads are quiet as anything. We're spoilt. It's the biggest county in the UK. Well, second to Yorkshire actually, but it's certainly the most underdeveloped. Okay, there's lots of agriculture, but I'd rather see fields than houses, cars everywhere. This is a beautiful stretch. I need to come here more often. I'm going to be dropping a few pins on my Vivi map, I think. Places close to home to come and visit. When the nights are long in autumn and winter. We certainly don't have enough places like this in the UK, that's for sure. It's far and wide for woodlands even as extensive as this one. a go in. Finally going straight on. Oh, there it is. Not that way. This way. If you live in this area, Scunthorpe, Doncaster Gull, you've probably ridden alongside the River Trent. So you're so swift behind me, and it's kind of notorious. The wind always been against you, depending on which side you are. But when it's not against you, it's the best feeling in the world. Wow, flying along here now. Because as you can see, no protection whatsoever. Nothing to dampen that wind. Final home stretch. Certainly needs to be cut back this. Anyway, yeah, just following the canal back to Quoll now. All the hard work's done. It's all flat, even got tailwind. I do hope you've enjoyed what you're watching in this video. Can't wait to get the next one out. And my bike again, share my journeys with you. If you want to watch more windy adventures on two wheels, how about go watching this one up there. That's it from me, folks. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Boy, was that windy.